Hey, good morning. I have done this psychoanalysis of myself and why do I like making videos. It could be shorts, it could be 3 minutes, it could be 1 hour. The 1 hour ones certainly are available on my YouTube. Guess I love seeing myself in the mirror, and that's the reason I do this. So, traveling for this wonderful seminar today, the Leadership Forum, which is all about the GCC space. The GCC space is about to burst in India. The geopolitical scenario in Gulf, the DIFCs of the world, are now eyeing India as a safe opportunity to invest, as a talent pool to work with, and a region which will radiate so much of energy, so much of revenue, so much of innovation that it will equal Silicon Valley. Yes, mark my words. The global order is shifting, and we as entrepreneurs need to sense the shift. A while ago, I was in a manufacturing setup and I was there as an observer, understanding the challenges of that manufacturing setup. The entrepreneur had his hands full, and there was a fight of time for him. Though a very well organized entrepreneur who marks every second of his working schedule, he still had a fight of time. Now, why I am bringing this example is that I relate myself to such entrepreneurs. When it comes to an idea stage, I have brilliant ideas. When it comes to people management, I have skills which are quite good. I have been managing my people over years. But when it comes to the personal life balance, where I need time for myself to pursue my hobbies, to live a whole life, I have thoroughly and miserably failed. I wish I can spend more time with my children. I wish I can groom my daughter. I wish I can groom my son. I wish I can spend more time with my father, who has been a doyen in the steel industry and has imparted so much of knowledge, created so much of value, generated so much of wealth for industry and founders. I wish I could spend more time with him. And what is happening is me calendar marking my day from 4 a.m. till 12 in the midnight, and yet not getting that satisfaction. So friends, a few thoughts which I shared is what we do in the present, and let not the past blackmail our present. Remember this, let not your past blackmail your present. What we do in the present certainly creates a wonderful future for us. We all know that. However, it is the past which again and again eats us. And if the past eats us, if we are guilty of our past actions, then it ultimately leads to slow decision making. Nobody likes slow decision making. Nobody likes circular thinking. Each one of us wants to zoom and speed. Welcome AI. I always say RHI is better than AI. So Rajesh Chidnani heading Quotient Acumen, Rajpriya Enterprise, HSI group of companies, all this combined together, all the assets that God has showered on me are certainly faster, meaner and sharper than any AI. A few morning conversations and love sharing these shots with my close friends. Have a super day ahead filled with zeal and enthusiasm. Rajesh.